I am baking a cake. I am baking some cookies. I am blending a smoothie. I am brewing coffee. I am chopping the vegetables. I am cleaning the fridge. I am cleaning the oven. I am cleaning the stove. I am cleaning the microwave. I am clearing the table. I am cooking breakfast. I am making lunch. I am washing the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am juicing the lemon. I am squeezing the orange. I am refilling the soup. I am setting the table. I am organizing the pantry. I am preparing a salad. I am restocking the fridge. I am wiping the counter. I am cleaning the bathroom. I am cleaning the window. I am dusting the furniture. I am dusting the shelves. I am disinfecting the doorknobs. I am mopping the floor. I am scrubbing the bathtub. I am scrubbing the floor. I am sweeping the floor. I am cleaning the mirror. I am doing the laundry. I am folding the laundry. I am hanging out the laundry. I am ironing the clothes. I am decluttering the shed. I am organizing the closet. I am packing a suitcase. I am sorting the recycling. I am sorting the mail. I am tidying up the room. I am updating my calendar. I am mowing the lawn. I am raking the leaves. I am trimming the hedges. I am weeding the garden. I am planting flowers. I am watering the plants. I am plowing snow. I am washing the car. I am fixing the door. I am fixing the faucet. I am repairing the stool. I am replacing the light bulbs. I am checking the smoke detector. I am charging my phone. I am unclogging the sink. I am brushing my hair. I am combing my hair. I am drying my hair. I am feeding the cat. I am walking the dog. I am arranging the floors. I am assembling new furniture. I am repairing the chair. I am changing the pillowcase. I am changing the sheet. I am decorating the house. I am going to the market. I am hanging the curtains. I am making a shopping list. I am making the bed. I am moving the furniture. I am packing a lunchbox. I am picking up toys. I am reading the mail. I am rearranging the plants. I am sewing a button. I am knitting a sweater. I am wrapping a gift. I am unpacking the groceries.